Hello and welcome to Reema's Garden. I am Reema Gopalan and this is going to be a fun video, okay? A Hindi-English mix video. What we are going to do is we are going to decode the growing seasons. Many a times people ask me, Reema, what vegetables to grow when? What is the right season? And secondly, many people ask me, even from the consumption point of view, that is, even when you are buying from the market, which vegetables are to be consumed during what season. Now, I do have an option of giving you a long list wherein you can do that, but even you can Google that. I will give you some logical and simple steps by which you can remember what vegetables to buy when or what vegetables to grow when. In India, typically we say seasons, or we divide seasons into three: summers, monsoon, winter. Okay, but growing seasons are only two. Growing season is like from April to October and from November to March. That is how we divide the growing season. Now let's dive into it. Okay, suppose you are in the midst of summer heat, you know, you are facing, like, there is a lot of heat. What kind of vegetables should you eat ideally? What is good for your health? By default the answer comes to anything that is cool, जो ठंडक पहुंचाए शरीर को, वैसी सब्जियां. तो ये कौन सी सब्जियां होंगी? चाहे आपकी लौकी होगी, ककड़ी या खीरा जो कहते हैं, पड़वल हो गए, या ये सारे गोड फैमिली हो गए. सो बाय डिफॉल्ट, बाय लॉजिक, ये आपको ठंडक पहुंचाते हैं, तो ये you will consume them during the summers and the monsoon, and you will grow them during the summers and the monsoon. यानी मार्च में होली ख़त्म हो जाने के बाद, जब रात में भी ठंड कम हो जाए, जब आपको लगे मार्च एंड में, आप you can start sowing the seeds and growing these plants. Now second logic, आपको याद है बचपन में या इवन अभी भी बहुत सारी सब्जियां सिर्फ ठंड में मिलती थी, जैसे मटर हो गए, गाजर हो गए. तो ये सारी जब सब्जियां, इफ यू थिंक फ्लावर, कॉलीफ्लावर, cabbage, these used to be really good and abundant in the winter season. Okay, so go by that logic. Second logic is, you think how it was 10 years back, 15 years back, when you had vegetables during a particular season. So cabbage, cauliflower, peas, that is matar, gajar, these are great when you consume them in the winter. Now let's go for the third logic. Now we'll look at it from the farmer's point of view. Okay, now they have a huge farmland and they are growing vegetables logically. Okay, in summers the soil hardens a lot. Okay, because the heat evaporates the water, the soil hardens very fast. In the monsoon there is excess moisture, so any vegetable that grows underground faces a little problem both in summer and in monsoon. But in winter it's a bumper crop because they have the ideal soil conditions. The soil, the water evaporates during the day and at night, and during the morning there is dew, so there is like slight moisture around the soil, and then you add the water, so the soil conditions are perfect. So any underground vegetable you want to consume, winters are the best time. Okay, let's dive a step deeper. Any leafy vegetables. See, leafy vegetables can be consumed throughout the year, no doubt about it. But logically, again going logically, if it is summer, peak of the summer, the heat, the leaves dry up very soon. You can try this even when you buy leafy vegetables in summer, in April or May, and you just keep it for 1 hour or 2 hours just on the tabletop or shelf. You'll see how droopy they become, you know. That is the heat's impact on it. The monsoon has a reverse impact with excess moisture. If it is continuously raining, the leafy vegetables go soggy again. Best time, winters again, because they get the ideal conditions. So you can go on decoding like this, use little logic. One thing that I might want to say is, there are vegetables that you have, like, that are available all throughout the year and you can consume them throughout the years. Here, tomato, capsicum are chilies, and all of those are some of those. Are the vegetables that you can consume throughout the year. And there are specific vegetables that you would have to Google, like for example, bhindi, okra. These are summer plants. Okay, they do really well in summers. That is from April to October, and I would request you to consume them during this period. And that's it. Thank you.